Hi, this is Dave Harrington with Hillcrest Financial Group, and welcome to our team's next episode of That's How It Works. Throughout the end of last year and beginning of 2024, we've received a lot of questions around the ability to roll unused 529 college accounts into Roth IRAs and whether this is allowed. That will be today's focus. The simple answer is yes, but with some strings attached. At the end of 2022, Congress passed the Secure Act 2.0. This was their modified version of the original Secure Act from 2019. There were many provisions in this legislation, including the ability to convert 529 college accounts to Roth IRAs. A 529 account, what's the point anyways? As a reminder, the value add of 529 educational accounts is that funds used for qualified educational expenses, as defined by the IRS, are treated as tax-free distributions. So, funds get deposited into a 529 account, grow tax deferred, and then are withdrawn and used as tax-free distributions for eligible expenses. No tax is paid on the growth. This is a great benefit. So why does having a conversion opportunity to a Roth IRA even matter? Well, we need to answer the question, what happens when a 529 account is not used for qualified educational expenses? You guessed it, ordinary income tax is paid on any gain and there's a 10% penalty on the gain. This means that historically, you'd prefer not to overfund a 529 as you'd be hit with unnecessary tax and penalty if not used for qualified education expenses. Keep in mind, you could always change the beneficiary of the 529 account and use for their educational expenses. If you have interest in converting a 529 account to a Roth IRA, what are some of the rules that need to be followed? First, the 529 account must have been open for at least 15 years. Additionally, the dollars being rolled over need to have been in the account for at least 5 years. There are annual limits that can be converted, the published maximum contribution amount. For 2024, those amounts are $7,000 core contribution amount and an additional $1,000 catch-up if age 50 or older. Also, Roth IRA owners must have earned income, and it's limited to the earned income or the annual limit, whichever is lower. And finally, there's a $35,000 lifetime 529 rollover amount. As you can see, much like many financial planning decision points, there are many variables to consider. The enclosed flowchart references many of those guidelines we just reviewed. If you'd like to discuss the 529 to Roth IRA conversion process further, or have other questions on your mind, please reach out to our team. We're always happy to help. From our team here at Hillcrest Financial Group regarding 529 to Roth IRA conversions, that's how it works.